Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about the Vinfast, the VF9, which is the third row vehicle. Alright, so as you can see, according to this article from Car and Driver, 2024 Vinfast VF9 electric SUV gets a $10,000 price cut with deliveries imminent. So the VF9 will now start at $71,000, and Vinfast says that the first unit will finally reach dealerships starting in September. So we're about a month away. Alright, so this is what we know about the VF9. So Vinfast 3-row VF9's its second electric SUV will start at $71,000 for the Eco trim, which has 330 miles range. About the same range as the Model Y long range. That price is $10,000 less than the previously listed base price, and all VF9s will come with a head-up display and heated driver's seat as standard. Delivery of the 2020 VF9 are due to finally start in September. The Vinfast VF9, the second electric SUV from the Vietnamese startup automaker, may finally go on sale soon. It's been roughly a year since Vinfast announced range estimates for the 3-row crossover, which was originally intended to go on sale in the fourth quarter of 2023. Now Vinfast has updated the pricings for the VF9, slashing the cost by $10,000 as deliveries are expected to begin within the next month. While the previously listed base price for the Vinfast VF9 was $81,000, Vinfast is now advertising the VF9 at $71,000 for the most affordable Eco trim. The Plus trims cost $75,000 and gains luxurious extra like panoramic glass roof, vegan leather upholstery, and second row captain chairs. The Plus also rides on a 21-inch wheels instead of the Eco's 20 inches and features 12-way power adjustable driver's seat and ventilation, memories and massage functions, along with upgraded front passenger and second row seating. All VF9s come standard with a 15.6-inch touchscreen head-up display, heated driver's seat, and a 13-speaker sound system. It doesn't look bad from the inside at all. Pretty nice. Vinfast says the VF9 will be shipped to dealership in September, and despite the years being nearly 3/4 of the way done, initial sales of the VF9 will still be for the 2024 model year. The VF9 has been in the works for a while now, originally revealed back in 2021 as the VF E36 and the VF9 have been spotted in testing on US roads for at least a year, while deliveries are already underway in the automaker's home country. Pretty nice red color. The VF9 was certified by the EPA with a 330 miles range in the Eco trim last fall, while the Plus trim is good for 291 on a charge. The electric SUV utilizes a 123 kilowatt hours battery pack, which feeds 2 electric motors with a combined output of 402 horsepower and 450 pound-feet of torque. Vinfast says the VF9 will accelerate from 0 to 62 miles in 6.6 seconds and will charge from 10% to 70% in 35 minutes on a DC fast charger. The VF9 will go up against pricier version of the Kia EV9 and the more expensive Rivian R1S, the only other electric SUV currently offering 3 rows of seatings. So the price for this car, I think, is $71,000. Is still kind of high, because in that price range, I think people would rather spend maybe another $4,000 or $5,000 just to get the Rivian R1S over the Vinfast. So I think if in order for Vinfast to be more competitive, they might have to be lowering the price a little bit more than that. And as with Vinfast, they also provide they have like a lease battery program, so maybe it's good like that way for for those of us who hate afraid of the battery degradation. So maybe this is another way that Vinfast is handling it. unlike Neo where they do the battery swap, and here we just lease the battery program. I think maybe another $100 or $200 a month for the battery, I believe. Yeah, but if you like the VF9, you know, you can order, and then hopefully it'll be shipped in a month. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave in a comment below. But other than that, take care, be safe. Till next time.